Oh, come on. Yeah. So, welcome back to another video in which I'm going to be showing you how to make the Dino T-Rex game. And this is part 3. Today, I'm going to be fixing my jump. And I'm going to be making this obstacle cactus. Yeah. And I can make birds and yeah. I'll just check. That depends. Okay. So, yeah. Let's define. This I took the define. And let's see. There's a small problem in our jump. Look, it's going down. Now it comes to the up. Now it's going to the middle. Now it's going to the down. That's one small problem which people will not like in our game. So to make to fix this problem, first we can either use a repeat block instead of repeat until, or we can continuously reduce its numbers to -5. There are two ways. I'm going to be doing the reducing numbers to -5. If it doesn't work, I'm going to be showing you and -122, and it goes up and comes back to negative. How will you see? You can go to the Y and look where my cursor is. It's changing back to 122, and that works. See? Or else, if it doesn't work in yours, that happens sometimes because different computers may vary. We can use this repeat, and I'm going to be showing you. We can put this repeat 19 times, or depending upon your jump. I took 19 because 19 works for me, and just check it out. It still works the same as we did in the other one. It's going back to -122 just like that. Perfect. This is one method. You can quickly just check it out. I just took the repeat into repeat 19 times and change Y by jumping well, and it's continuously going to -1 so that it gives a jumping effect. But I will be sticking with my change this one because this one is pretty much more I understand. Yes, because this is a little better looking. So yes, that's quickly good. And now our jumping is perfect. You can see it's coming back to -122, again to -122, -122, and now our jumping is perfect in just 2 minutes. Now let's get back to our cactus. We want our cactus obstacle to move. These are my cactus, and remember to name it 1, 2, depending upon its wings, 3, and 4. And let's get started. You may notice that there's no pick random costume. Switch backdrop to random backdrop is there. Yeah, that is there. Go back front layer. That is there. Costume number, name, yeah, something like this. Backdrop, but there's no pick random costume or switch to random costume. Look, there's only 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is kind of not gonna get our program harder. So what can we do to fix a program? Let's see. Okay, so we can take a flag for now. It's supposed to hide. It is supposed to hide when the flag is clicked and wait for a random number of seconds. But how are we going to put a random because there's only one? We can go to operators and take this thing called pick random. So wait for pick random uh, 2 to 5 seconds and then show. Yeah, this works. 1 minute. Let me first disable the cloning, create clone of myself, and then let's get started. And it's gonna pick random to a particular. And why is it down? It should be like here. Yeah, this is good. Negative 124. And I'm gonna put it, go to negative 124, negative 124. And then x, I'm gonna be putting it to x will be negative or positive 5 what, I don't really get it, 5. So to know that, we can go to our ground, 528, but it's 540 for this. So 540, oh shoot, 540. Okay, 540. Yes, and it's gonna go to that particular place, and it's hide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, in 4 seconds it popped up in 540. But we want it to move like it's an obstacle according to the ground speed. So good that we made a variable called move. So that's gonna be our ground speed. We can go to controls and we can put a forever loop. Yes, we can do that. And we can do, you might be aware of it right now, change x by the depending upon the move value. And yes, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yo, but it's not moving away. What to do? Let's think of it. Let's see. We can make it, if it's if then it's exposition, means the motions. We can go to its random, this already made variable. Exposition is lesser than. We'll take the lesser than the value which is right there, negative 178. How will you know the value? Because x position is written right here and y position is written right here. 178, and that's perfect. This fits properly with our code. What's supposed to do? It's supposed to go to its positive value. It's supposed to set x to, instead of negative, I can put negative, instead of negative, I can put 540. 540. Yes, and this is a perfect one. Nice. And yeah, it's gonna set it. But we even wanted to change into its random, what do you call? Switch costume to random. It's not there. It used to be there. I think so, but I don't know. Switch costume to, let's try one thing. I pick random, because pick random only supports numbers, not letters. Right now I'm typing in letters. Only numbers will go. Wait, event? I think so. Letters go. E. No, only E goes. W doesn't go. 8 goes. O doesn't go. P doesn't go. Only E goes, perhaps. Only E goes. That's weird. Okay, so we can pick random costume to 1. Switch costume to pick random 1 to 4. And we can take in grade 4. I'll explain afterwards. Grade 4, pick random. First, I'll make it quickly. 1 to 5 seconds. 1 to 4 seconds. No, 1 to 3.5 seconds. And then looks hide, then show. Yeah. So I hope you understood the top part. Now I'll show you what's in the if then. In the if then, I hit it and it's gonna go to this position. Only if it is in the corner. Oops. 1 minute. I think so I did it wrong. Negative 276. 278. Yeah, now it's gonna work. Then it should hide. It should go to this position. It's supposed to switch costumes to pick random if it works, because I never tried it. 1 to 4 and wait for pick random 1 to that much seconds. Then it's supposed to show and start its program again. Let's try it out. It's waiting. Wow. Huh? It's not hiding. It's negative 140. Exposition, right? Yes, everything seems to be right. Negative 240. Oh, this is a large number. How did I get it? Negative 237. No, 39. Then only. Yeah, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it came in 5. Yep, and it's gonna wait. Oh, shoot. It doesn't work. No. Yes, it works. I am really astonished with this method I did. It was a sudden off. My game is going really well. I hope yours is going. That's awesome. And yes, this is the greatest thing I ever done. Woo! It's really fun. Oh, that was about to crash. I think I should make them come a little faster. 3.5 is too much. I'll say 2.5. This is good. Oh no, it's died. Its eyes is also blinking. What? Oh, I clicked the flag. Our program for now is working the best. Though it's shorter than my other program, it is better. I can increase the size to 80, I'll say. Yeah, because it jumps higher. Start. Come on, quick. Quick. Oh my, I don't think so. Oh, the large one I can dodge. Wow, I did it. I'm a master. Seriously, I'm liking this game a lot. So this is for our part 3. Stay tuned for part 4, where I make more updates in my game, and I'm even gonna make a score counter, but not using the cloning like we did in our clicker game. If you're not sure, I'll also what do you call explain it in the next part. So let's do a quick recap. We changed our jumping. Let's leave the ground. So yes, now it is when flag click means this click, it's supposed to switch costume to the one cactus, means only one is there. And it's supposed to go to this corner. It's supposed to hide so that it is like real. Then wait, and it's gonna pick random 2 to 5 seconds. Then it's supposed to show, means it's gonna pick random that much seconds, like 1 second it came, then 3 seconds it came. It will come any in between these two numbers. Then it's supposed to show. Then we're adding a forever loop, and it's always gonna be changing x by that vroom 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 vroom, the move which is set in the ground. Then we add in an if then. If then it is in this corner, then it is supposed to hide, means it's hiding. It's gonna go right here It's gonna switch costume to any like cactus 1, cact 2, cact 3, cact 4. 1 to 4 means in between, and 1 and 4. And it's gonna wait for pick random means 1 to 2.5 seconds in between and those two. Then it's gonna show and start its program. I can't believe our that worked. So yes, stay tuned for part 4. For now, bye.